Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing out how to start blogging. Most people want to blog, they want to become bloggers. When you look at people like Linda Ikeji, Olufemous, Bella Naijan, some of Laila Ikeji, and some of the big bloggers that we have in Nigeria and Africa, you have interest in blogging or stuffs like that, you understand, and you wonder, how do I go about blogging? Do I need to be a programmer? Do I need to be a software developer to be able to develop and manage my blog or stuffs like that? The truth is that Google has already designed a platform that can help you to start blogging even without the basic knowledge of software or programming. So that's the skills I'm going to be teaching us today, so that you can start blogging immediately and you can become famous in the thing that you like doing. So first of all, I'm going to go to Google Chrome. I'm going to once I get to Google Chrome, I'm supposed to log into my Gmail account. So if you log into your Gmail account, you open Google, you just type in www.google.com. make sure you've logged in your Gmail account in that very system. So after logging in, I have a video that teaches how to log into Gmail account. So after logging in, just type in Google on your address like this, it will be open. Because I'm logged in, that's why you can see here is Tclassified.com. that's my account. So if I was not logged in, I will see sign in here, so I'll click on it and sign in. So once you sign into your Google account, you have something like this. So look at this place that will have little boxes. Click on it, then check, you see where you have blogger. If you cannot see it here, scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see it. You see blogger. This is a platform that Google has already built in for you to blog very easily. So click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open for you. It's already designed. This is my blogger. You can see it's already designed for me by Google. You don't need to be a software developer for you to know. If you want to just post any new thing in your blogger, just click on new post. Once you click on new post, you'll see the title of what you want to post. Let's say Nicki Minaj is fighting Cardi B. Nicki Minaj fights Cardi B. You understand? Then you can now type in the content, or you get anywhere you get. After typing, just click on publish. Now you have your first you have your first post already as a what's it called? You can